How to lock hidden photos in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option and scroll down again and tap on the photos option you see there. Here you will see the use passcode toggle button, so go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for use passcode just in case if it is toggled off, and with this your iPhone will require passcode every time you try to access the hidden photos tab. So now go ahead and open photos and then go ahead and open the photo that you want to hide. Further, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for hide in the menu that appears. Simply tap on the hide option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on hide photos option, and with this the photo will be hidden. You can then go back to Photos home screen and scroll down and you will see the option for hidden under the Utilities tab. Tap on it, and with this, as you can see, you have to enter your iPhone passcode every time you try to access the Hidden Photos tab. And just in case if you want to hide the Hidden Photos tab completely, then launch the Settings application again and then tap on Apps and then tap on the Photos option again. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Show Hidden Photos, and with this, the hidden folder will no longer be accessible unless you toggle on this toggle button again. So this was about how you can lock hidden photos in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.